Shea butter, deep nourishment for dry skin. Shea butter, often referred to as nature's moisturizer, has been used for centuries to protect, nourish, and restore the skin. Extracted from the nuts of the shea tree, which grows predominantly in West Africa, this creamy, natural butter is rich in nutrients and bioactive compounds that make it one of the most effective solutions for dry, dehydrated skin. Shea butter is packed with fatty acids including oleic, stearic, and linoleic acids. These compounds are essential for maintaining the skin's natural barrier, locking in moisture, and promoting elasticity. Unlike synthetic moisturizers that may provide temporary hydration, shea butter penetrates deeply into the skin, nourishing it from within and restoring long-lasting softness and suppleness. One of the most remarkable qualities of shea butter is its ability to soothe and repair dry, rough, or cracked skin. Its emollient properties smooth rough textures, while its anti-inflammatory components help calm irritation, redness, and sensitivity. For areas commonly affected by dryness, such as elbows, knees, hands, and feet, shea butter provides intensive care, leaving the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. Shea butter is suitable for all skin types. For sensitive or delicate skin, it acts as a gentle yet powerful moisturizer, reducing discomfort and supporting natural healing processes. Regular use can improve skin elasticity, reduce flakiness, and even minimize the appearance of minor scars and stretch marks, thanks to its vitamin-rich composition. Shea butter contains vitamins A, E, and F, which are potent antioxidants that protect skin cells from free radical damage and premature aging. Beyond its use for the body, shea butter is also highly beneficial for facial care. For dry or combination skin, applying a small amount of shea butter can create a protective barrier against environmental stressors, such as cold weather, wind, or pollution. Its non-comedogenic nature ensures it nourishes the skin without clogging pores, making it suitable for daily use. Additionally, blending shea butter with other natural ingredients, like essential oils or aloe vera, enhances its hydrating and restorative properties. Shea butter also has remarkable healing and protective qualities. Its natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial components help reduce skin irritation, redness, and minor infections. It can be applied to minor cuts, burns, or insect bites to support faster healing while keeping the skin moisturized and protected. The soothing and protective effects of shea butter make it an ideal addition to any skincare routine, particularly during dry or harsh seasons. When used on hair, shea butter acts as a deep conditioner and natural moisturizer. Dry, brittle hair can benefit from its rich fatty acids and vitamins, which help reduce breakage, frizz, and split ends. Applying a small amount to the scalp nourishes the roots, supports hair growth, and adds natural shine. Its hydrating properties also protect hair from heat and environmental stressors, maintaining healthy, strong strands. One of the key advantages of shea butter is its versatility. It can be used directly on the skin, incorporated into body lotions, creams, and balms, or blended with other natural ingredients to create custom skincare treatments. Its creamy texture melts upon contact with the skin, making it easy to apply and massage, while leaving a protective, non-greasy layer that locks in moisture for hours. Scientific studies support the benefits of shea butter for dry skin. Research shows that it improves skin hydration, elasticity, and barrier function, while also reducing inflammation and promoting skin regeneration. Its unique combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds makes it highly effective for restoring and maintaining healthy, supple skin. Sustainable and ethically sourced shea butter also contributes to community development in West Africa. Many shea butter cooperatives empower local women by providing income and preserving traditional extraction methods, ensuring high quality, unrefined shea butter reaches consumers worldwide. Choosing pure, natural shea butter guarantees the maximum benefits for skin and hair, while supporting ethical and sustainable practices. In conclusion, shea butter is much more than a moisturizer. It is a holistic solution for dry, dehydrated skin. Its rich composition of fatty acids, vitamins, and antioxidants nourishes, protects, and restores the skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. Whether applied to the body, face, or hair, shea butter delivers deep hydration, promotes healing, and supports overall skin health. By incorporating shea butter into your daily skincare routine, you are embracing a natural, time-tested approach to hydration and protection. It's a centuries-old tradition, combined with modern scientific validation, makes shea butter a true treasure of nature, luxurious, nourishing, and effective solution for dry skin.